Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do a little bit of a different video. This is more of a lifestyle video about health and fitness and my weight loss journey. Over the last 6 months or so, I had a little bit of weight gain, more than just a little bit, I guess. I was feeling really sluggish, lethargic, just not like myself, and that also affected my self-confidence and just my overall well-being. I knew something was up. I wasn't feeling like myself. Early February, I finally made a point to go to the doctor and talk to her about it. And I was shocked at the number I saw on the scale when she actually weighed me. I don't have a scale at my house and I kind of try to avoid that. But yeah, I had gained about 35 pounds in the 6-month period. Yeah, so that was like a big shocker. Basically, she told me I should try and make my goal to lose 20 pounds. She didn't give me a specific timeline, but she said, you know, try and cut around 500 calories a day. So whether that's through eating less calories or burning more calories, or a combination of the two. So basically, I have made it my mission since then to really work on my health and fitness. Now, if you know me, you know that I'm usually really into health and fitness. I love to eat healthy, I love to cook. So I was pretty shocked at myself that I let myself go. Basically, since then, I've been really honest and real with myself, and I have been working on eating less. So even though I was eating pretty healthy, I like to eat a lot. I'm a hungry girl. So even like for dinner, if I made like healthy chickpea burritos, I would have 2 or 3. I wasn't listening to my body when I was full. I was just eating because I love to eat. So I downloaded this app called Lose It. So this is it right at the bottom. That's what it looks like. And basically this app, I've used it in the past. You just log all of your food for the day. So breakfast, lunch, and dinner, snacks even, and exercise. It's basically just a ballpark number for you to keep yourself on track. So with the help of that app, I've been, you know, keeping myself on track and really relearning about the food that I love to eat and what I'm putting in my body. So that along with working out. So I was working out regularly, but just really kind of light to moderate home workouts that were 15 minutes or half an hour, and it just wasn't enough. So I have been training for the triple challenge that's going on here in Bermuda. It's a 3-day event. It's like a running obstacle course combination. Basically, I've been training 2 or 3 times a week. So running about 6 miles on the beach and trails, uphill sprints as well. Right after I went to the doctor, I also signed up for a gym again, which I haven't had a membership in about 8 months, I guess, 7 months. So I did that again, and I've been going to the gym about 4 times a week also. I've been feeling pretty good. I can feel it in my clothes that, you know, they're a little bit looser. I have more energy, and I'm just happier in general. So I just wanted to share my story with you guys and share what I've been doing. So today I'm gonna go do a little bit of a workout. So I'll take you guys with me to kind of see what kind of workouts I do. I'm really lucky that one of my best friends is a dietitian. So she's been helping me with my nutrition and that kind of thing. Love you, Angie, you're the best. And my other girlfriend, Allison, is like a trainer and has a lot of experience in training in fitness, so yoga, spinning, weightlifting, all that stuff. So she is like my go-to girl. If she's going to the gym, I tag along always, because she has awesome circuit workouts and just really good workouts that get your heart pumping, get you sweating, and leave you sore the next day. So let's take a little road trip to the gym. And this is a regular breakfast for me. So I have a piece of Ezekiel bread with a little bit of guacamole or avocado on it, with 1 fried egg and a glass of green tea. All right, I I'm back from the gym now. Did that little circuit workout that you guys saw. I'm just cooking some lunch now. I'm just snacking on some of these stuffed grape leaves from Joseph's. Just having like 2 of them heated up while I cook some chicken. So I took just these little chicken breasts, like tenderloins kind of. So I put those in a mixture of paprika, turmeric, garlic powder, onion powder, salt and pepper. And I'm just frying them in some olive oil, kind of. And I'm gonna shred it apart and put it on a salad of kale and tomatoes with a homemade kind of Italian dressing. So that's what I'm gonna have for lunch today. I think I'm gonna have 3 of the chicken breast tenderloins because I did do a big workout earlier, and I'm either gonna be running or playing beach volleyball at the beach. Usually when I go to the beach, I'm pretty active. So I don't mind having a little bit more to eat for lunch on days like today. All right, so we have some chopped kale, tomatoes. I ended up sauteing some mushrooms too, and then the chicken breast on top. Lunch.